This is not expected to hit us, but will impact us some.
And it is a very interesting system. You know, we talk about tropical storms and even Category 1 hurricanes. We think about the winds from these tropical systems, but oftentimes, especially in the Texas coast and the Louisiana coast, it's actually the flooding. This is a very slow-moving system this morning. It was briefly upgraded to a hurricane late last night, downgraded once again after landfall, and now is a tropical storm, slowly working its way to the north and east. But even through Wednesday afternoon, we're talking about moving very little from where it is right now, making its way into parts of southwest Louisiana, and reading several articles talking about Houston being America's flooding capital, and they are expecting some tremendous amounts of rainfall, anywhere from about Houston and Galveston upwards towards Beaumont, Texas, Lake Charles, Louisiana. Some areas could pick up more than 10 inches of rain. Around here, though, much quieter start, of course, this morning. We are still dealing with quite a bit of heat and humidity over the last couple of days. Wind this morning out of the south, so we'll continue to see the warm, humid air push up into our region. Currently 72 degrees in Mount Vernon. Dew points are running into the lower 70s. We do have that breeze from the south and southwest. Another hot and muggy afternoon. Temperatures today likely back into the upper 80s. We're talking about heat index values back into the lower 90s. But we're tracking a cold front. It's set to arrive very late tonight and bring increased chances for some showers and storms. Best rain chance of the week arrives late tonight and sticks around through at least Wednesday morning and ushers in some slightly cooler air later on this week. There's Tropical Storm Nicholas this morning just south of the Houston area. Will continue to spread heavy rainfall through eastern Texas, parts of Louisiana. We don't see much impact here in our region, but here's the cold front we're tracking making its way down from the north right now through parts of Iowa and back into Kansas. And we do expect more scattered showers and storms to develop along that front later on this evening. Maybe a pop-up shower or storm during the heat of the afternoon. Otherwise, it's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. Upper 80s and lower 90s today for high temperatures. Here comes the best chance for rain, though, as we make our way into the late night hours and really early Wednesday morning. This is closer to the midnight. Notice showers and storms start to develop out ahead of the front and really become more widespread through early Wednesday. Pockets of very heavy rain, some thunder, some lightning, and then rain starts to kind of taper off through Wednesday morning as the cold front settles its way in. But the Storm Prediction Center highlighting mainly areas to the north for a chance for a few stronger storms, but it does include just a few of our northern counties, so I can't entirely rule out a storm with some small hail, maybe some gusty winds late tonight and into early Wednesday morning. The main threat, though, from a lot of these is just going to be pockets of very, very heavy rainfall. We expect more scattered showers, more scattered storms also in the forecast later on this week. So about a 60% chance on Wednesday, and as the rain moves in, it keeps temperatures down. 84 on Thursday, more scattered showers, more scattered storms possible on Friday, and then we look ahead to the weekend. Isolated pop-up afternoon showers and storms, nothing worth canceling your plans over at this point. And then early next week, a more substantial cold front is possible by Monday and Tuesday. And cooling us down by Wednesday and Thursday, of course, will officially welcome in fall next Wednesday.
Yesterday when I was out and about, there'd be a little bit of cloud coverage, and it was so nice when that happened.
Well, I should have taken my own advice, you know, run early in the morning. I got out there about noon, and by the time I was done, I was just drenched.
I almost would. All right, Abby.